Hello everyone. My name is SHRUJAN KOTIAN. I am from first year ECE. Startup company is Mangaluru Gramina product. Product name is Candle. Proposed product name is Candlelit. So here is the empathizing stage, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is glowing time of the candle should be more compared to the rest of the candles. Second one is adjustment of flame should be implemented in the candle. This is a defined stage based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product is Candle and the futuristic product is Candlelit. This is the ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one is citrus fragrance is added for the relaxation, and second one is it creates a relaxing and therapeutic environment. Third one is regulators are added for the adjustment of the flame. And fourth one is produced in various shapes and sizes. This is a prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.